Do you use WordPress? Does your business have a WordPress website? Would you like to know how to use your WordPress website more effectively, or learn how to easily train someone in your business to help you get better results online? The complete step-by-step WordPress user manual is the most comprehensive WordPress how-to guide available. This downloadable manual contains over 500 printable pages full of practical information on how to use every feature of WordPress, including checklists, cheat sheets, flowcharts, and tables, all laid out in logical step-by-step sequence. The manual also contains links to hundreds of detailed screenshot and video tutorials. The complete step-by-step WordPress user manual was created especially for non-technical users. It's an ideal and quick reference guide for all businesses that use WordPress. If you are a WordPress website developer or a digital service provider, we also offer a rebrandable version of the manual that you can use to train your clients. For more details about the complete step-by-step WordPress user manual or the rebrandable version of the manual, please visit wptrainingmanual.com.